Hi everyone, Kate here, and this week I'm going to be sharing a wonderful Victorian balm recipe as adapted from the book Health, Beauty in the Toilet, published in 1886. Now, if this seems a bit familiar, it's because this recipe was originally in a winter hand care video that I posted about a year ago. Well, in that video, I was focused on the hands. Over time, I've come to discover that I actually prefer this product as a deeply moisturizing lip treatment, so I decided to repost the recipe as such. Now, don't get me wrong, it still works great as a thick, rich hand cream and cuticle cream, but it really shines as a lip balm and is a bit easier to apply in this application. So, without any further ado, let's have a look at the recipe. For this recipe, you will need equal parts by weight of cocoa butter, sweet almond oil, and beeswax. Now, when I made this originally, I used 25 grams of each, but you can use more or less depending on how big a batch you would like to make. For example, if you're just making this as a lip balm, you'll probably want to use closer to 2 grams of each to make a more lip balm sized quantity. You can also add in an optional few drops of vitamin E oil to help extend shelf life. Try 3 to 5 drops for the original size, or 1 drop if making the smaller lip balm amount. Start by gently melting all 3 ingredients together. A double boiler is really the best method, but I just popped mine into the microwave for 15-second intervals until it was fully melted. If you plan on using this as a hand cream, grab a pair of electric mixers and beat until the balm has fully cooled and thickened. You can also stir this together with a spoon or a fork if you don't have a pair of mixers handy, but the mixers do produce a softer texture, which I find makes application easier. The last step is simply to scoop it into a jar or a tin and let set fully overnight. When packaged this way, I scrape out a bit of product with my fingernail and then rub it onto my lips or hands. It's almost too thick at first, but it quickly melts with the heat of your skin. I prefer this method as an overnight treatment. Alternatively, you can skip the electric mixers and just pour the melted cerate straight into a lip balm tube after giving it a good stir. This changes the consistency of the product slightly and will result in a thinner layer being applied. It is much more convenient though if you're using it as a lip balm. Well, that's it for now. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye! This video was made possible through the generous support of my Patreons. Thank you.